In this video, we will create contours and calculate the volume of the segmentation in milliliters. The volume will be shown as text on the image. We are using the same modules as already done in the previous video, contour to voxel mask. Once again, segment the lobe of the lung and interpolate between the contours by using ASO slice interpolator. Your contours need to be converted to a voxel mask by using a voxelized CSO module. We already prepared a segmentation and the mask is available at the output of the module. Add a calculate volume module to your workspace and connect it to the voxelized CSO. The module calculates the total volume of the input mask in milliliters. In order to show the volume of your segmentation on the image text, add ASO View 2D annotation module and ASO group. The SO group gets the SO View 2D overlay and the SO View 2D annotation and adds both to the viewer. You can see two image text overlays in the viewer now. Select the View 2D and search for the field annotation on, set it to false. The text from the SO View 2D annotation remains visible, the View 2D text is hidden. Open the panel of the SO View 2D annotation and draw a parameter connection from the total volume to the input 00. The field gets the value from the calculate volume module. In General tab, change annotation mode to User. Open User tab and remove some of the entries. The View 2D can be configured to your needs and changes are applied immediately. Remove all default DICOM tags shown in the viewer and add the volume from input 00 to the top left. Make sure to leave some space and enter line breaks before. The volume is now shown in the image text. Set annotation on for the View 2D to true again. You can now see the default image text of the viewer again. Additionally, the volume of your segmentation is shown in milliliters. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.